Guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different niches. So as you know, you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on offline market, and you can go to the google.com and search websites according to your niche and ask them your services to them, and you can say that you can maintain their social media presence or Facebook presence, so they will surely hire you. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create Facebook post on gratitude quotes. So let's get started. Now we are going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available. It is easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn. If you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete course on Canva designing, and after watching the course you will surely know about everything about Canva. So I click on create a design. Here I search post. I click on square. Then I'm going to google.com and here I search gratitude quotes. So we will choose one of them, and I think this one is good. So I copy this, and then gray color shows the gratitude. So this one. After that go to elements, and here I search quote box, and let's see which one is suitable. This one is good. It's look good. So I change the font. So that's it. This is a beautiful and simple post for gratitude quote. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and run through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.